All right, I'm gonna do my trade recap. This is kind of from like my journal or whatever, so I can do so I can review my mistakes in the future. But anyway, um, at the beginning or before market open, I was looking for two things to target. Either if we open bearish, I was looking to target this unfilled 1 hour gap below us right here. Or target this 4 hour unfilled and also was aligned with London high, I believe, right here. So I was just waiting for market open and just waiting to see what was gonna happen or what we wanted to do. Okay, so I went, yeah, market open, did this. So I liked the target over here, which is London high, and that 4 hour untapped right here. But I just didn't feel confident on targeting London high right here because we easily could have just reversed and take out this internal low before we continue to push higher. And market open trades usually don't go well for me on when I'm back testing or just trading in general. So I decided to wait to see, either just fade the trade and not take a trade for the day, or wait for something else to show up and maybe I will retrace before we go ahead and take this high. So anyway, I didn't take it. I decided to wait because this little low didn't feel protected enough to me for me to go ahead and place this trade and my stop loss right here. It was a 1-to-1, but I just didn't like it. So I decided to wait and pushed higher. And by that time, right here, ES, like you can see right here, was already pretty close to this to London high, which caused me to gonna it scared me off a little bit on the longs because we could have just made an SMT and then rejected off of that and go lower. Go lower. That's why I didn't enter also. So looking at that right here, ES tapped took London high, and I right here in this moment, this candle, I was just waiting for some kind of reaction or rejection to take shorts to that unfilled 1 hour gap all the way over here. And in the moment, it sounded reasonable for me, but looking at it right now, it wasn't logical for us just to from being here, like right here from the unfilled 4 hour gap and London high. Even though ES already took it, it doesn't seem logical for us to from here go all the way down and fill this hourly. That's from looking at it right now, but obviously at the moment I thought it was reasonable for some reason. I don't know. So I was waiting and waiting. We formed this little gap, and I kind of wanted to see I was waiting for an inverse of this little gap. Might not be the best confluence, but yeah, I was waiting for a solid candle closure below this right here. So price was slowing down. I didn't like any of this. I was like, okay. I when I saw this, I should just like stopped and rethink what I was gonna do because I was waiting for a solid rejection. Maybe if this candle closed like inverse this gap immediately, it would have been better. Because yeah, But right here, price is slowing down. There's no real indication of us wanting to go lower. And I entered right here because that's what I was waiting for. But it was already just price not doing anything really. So this was no real indication of us going lower, especially being this close to the 1 hour, 4 hour gap. And my target was all the way over here, which looking at it again, it didn't seem logical because we were inversing this big 1 hour gap. But yeah, anyways, I took this trade. My break even or just taking profits was gonna be this low right here, and I was planning to hold to this unfilled 1 hour depending on what price action was looking like, but I just immediately got fucking stopped out. And yeah, that was it. Entered during chop, not doing anything. I don't know why I took that. And yeah, I should have just waited for more confirmation or more indication of us going lower. But yeah, and price didn't really do anything after that. Like there's no previous day highs all the way over here, and we're just fucking up and down and not going anywhere really for anything else. Either way, I just have a 1 trade per day rule for myself, so I was done for the day after this. But yeah, I'm still learning, so if I can get any tips, tricks, advice, anything to avoid these type of situations, I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, that was it.